everyone? Welcome back to my channel. Welcome if you're new. Today's video is going to be a VSG meal prep plus a VSG grocery haul for weight loss. I am super excited to be doing this VSG meal prep and grocery haul. So my goal is to lose 15 pounds. So I am ready to stay on track. I am ready to eat healthy, and the easiest way for me to do that is to meal prep out all of my foods. So if you are interested in any of the recipes or any of the items in today's grocery haul, I will link all of the recipes plus the grocery haul down below for you in the description box. So be sure to check down there once you're done watching today's video. So let's start off with the Trader Joe's grocery haul. So the first thing that I picked up is some oatmeal, and I'm going to be making oatmeal for breakfast. So I picked up some of these. And I also got some pancakes. These are going to be for Jason so that he can have these for breakfast in the morning. I also picked him up these turkey corn dogs because he does like corn dogs, and I figured this would be a healthier option for him. Some other things that I found, some frozen items. I found this roasted corn, which sounds really good to use as a side, and it only has 110 calories per serving. I also picked up a package of broccoli florets. And for meat, I got some extra lean ground beef. I always like to get the extra lean ones. And then here I bought some sirloin steak tips so that we can make a beef stir fry with this. And then I picked up some shrimp burgers. These are really good for lunch. They are also really high in protein. So each patty only has 90 calories and 13 grams of protein. So this is a really healthy lunch option. And I also found this stacked eggplant parmesan, and I figured this would be really good for a lunch or for dinner if I don't feel like cooking one night. And I also picked up some more freezer stuff. So Jason really likes to eat the chicken fried rice. And for myself, I winded up getting a cauliflower one. So I'll show you guys that one. I also found this quinoa blend. So this is like a side. So it has quinoa, it has vegetables in here, and it is just like seasoned with spices. So I'll use that for sides as well. Also picked up a shrimp stir fry kit. Another super easy and super healthy lunch or dinner idea. And then I found these perfect bars, and you guys know I love perfect bars as snacks, but I have never seen coconut peanut butter before. So this must be a new flavor that Perfect has, or at least it's a flavor that I've never seen. And I also found chocolate chip cookie dough, which also sounded just so good. So I picked up 2 of those. And then I went ahead and I got 2 packages of chicken breasts. So now for the produce items, I got some baby spinach. I also picked up a bunch of fresh herbs. I have rosemary and thyme so that I can use this for the chicken. So I figured that since I'm going to be meal prepping out chicken, the only real meat that I eat is chicken, ground beef. I also do eat steak, but the way that I see it to not get tired of it is to try to season the chicken different ways. So I bought a bunch of different herbs, so like that I could just, you know, make different kinds of chicken. I also picked up some bell peppers. I got some fresh basil, some tomatoes, some sweet potatoes. I picked up a bag of limes, some bananas for snacks, fresh zucchini so that I can make that, 2 avocados so that we can have either avocado toast for breakfast, or I can use this, you know, to put on top of the chicken dinners. I got a bag of lemons, some fresh mandarins, a nice big package of red seedless grapes. I love to snack on these. I got some sweet potato fries so we can have these for sides. Some fresh strawberries. I also found these grass-fed Angus beef burgers, so we can have this one night as well. And here is that cauliflower stir fry that I was telling you guys about. So I can have this for myself. And this only has 50 calories per serving, so this is amazing. And I also got some garlic already peeled, you know, just to make my life easier. So that is everything that I got at Trader Joe's. I'm gonna go ahead and put the frozen stuff away, and then we'll get started on the meal prep. Okay, so I have all of my veggies diced up, and I also diced up my chicken breast. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and cook all the veggies first, and then I'm going to cook the meats. So I'm gonna cook it in larger batches because, to be honest with you, sometimes I get really bored of meal prep. So my idea for today's meal prep is I'm going to make a bunch of different things, and like that I can sort of mix and match to make my own meal ideas. So I'm going to season everything a little bit differently. Like I said, I'll link everything down below. So while the veggies are cooking, I'm gonna go ahead and get the meat all prepped out. So for the chicken breast, I'm just going to cook them with a little bit of olive oil, some fresh thyme, and some fresh rosemary. And then for the steak, I actually had this in my cabinet. This is the McCormick 1 skillet beef stir fry. And this stir fry mix, all you have to do is just add a cup of water to this with a tablespoon of soy sauce. Season the steak with the sesame ginger seasoning. I'm gonna add a little bit of soy sauce to the zucchini as well. Once the veggies are finished cooking, I'm gonna go ahead and cook the meat in the same 2 pans. So I'm gonna cook the steak over here, and I will cook the chicken over there. For the steak, I only put a tablespoon of olive oil in the pan, and for the chicken, I put 2 tablespoons, and that is because I have about 3 pounds of chicken breast that I already cut up. The meal prep is finished. Here is what I made for this meal prep. So I have the garlic steak bites that I use the McCormick seasoning, and then I did a bunch of grilled chicken. So I can use this for fajitas, I can make quesadillas with this chicken, or I can just have it as a really easy and simple lunch. So here I have some chicken with the sauteed zucchini. Here I have my chicken breast, and everything is already finished, everything is already prepped. So like that, during the week I could just grab and go and make easy, simple meals. And like I said before, be sure to play around with the seasonings, make it any way you like, add all of your favorite seasonings. This is the way that I prefer to have my chicken, and making it this way for me is just super versatile. So I am all ready for the next 3 days with my VSG meal prep. Thank you guys so much for watching today's video. Don't forget to hit that thumbs up button and make sure that you subscribe.